Hey, today I'm going to share with you how I manage the metals in the water of my pool. You probably saw my last video where I show my solar pool heater that helps increase the temperature of my pool by over 30 degrees. It has a copper component, and a lot of the questions or comments on that video were related to how do I get the metal out of my pool. Well, in addition to the pool heater, my piping in my pool also uses copper. It's an older pool. So what I use metal-free in addition to the CuLator. So the CuLator is helps to pull metals out of the water of your pool. You can see that it takes out 4 parts per million. This particular product is designed for a 20,000 gallon pool. Mine is a 45,000 gallon pool, but I settled for this. I also use supplemental 1 part per million packs that I put on my filter return, but I'll share that another time. Let me share what I got here. So I'm gonna open up the box and share with you what I have. All right, so here I have the CuLator. Has inside the box, it's got some instructions and all that, how to treat staining. But what's key here is that you have this in this little cage, and inside there's a little pouch. So what you do is you take this and you put it inside of your pump, inside the basket. And let me share with you what that looks like. So I actually have one in there already. This one's old, so I'm gonna take that one out and I'm gonna put this new one in. So hang on just a sec. All right, so you can see this is the old CuLator. I'm gonna pull out. I'll share with you what the color that I turned in just a moment. And here's the new CuLator. I'm gonna drop right in there and cover it up for just a sec. All right, so you can see the new CuLator's right in there. It's spinning along as the water gets filtered through. All right, let me share with you what the old one looks like. The old one is gonna be all blue because of the copper in my system. So here, let me share with you what that looks like. Just a sec. Break this open. All right, so I've got it broken open. And you can see, I don't know if you can see that very clearly, but it's definitely blue. We got a B right there. Let's get rid of that. Come on, dude. You can see it's very much blue tinged, and it's pulling metal right out of the pool water as it's running. Okay, so you can see this is what I was talking about here. These are the different colors that the CuLator will churn once you run in your pool if it's got metal. Mine was obviously blue, so it was copper, but that's the identification tab there. All right, so I hope this has been helpful. Again, this is one of the methods I use to pull metal out of the pool. I use the CuLator as well as metal-free, and it keeps my water nice and clear. Thanks for watching.